Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's brand new YouTube video. I got a good one for you guys today because I'm calling you out. I know you're messing up on your Amazon business. I'm gonna tell you what is the one mistake that could be hurting your Amazon business that you need to be keeping track of. So we're gonna be going into my computer, we're gonna be looking at my sales, and I'm gonna show you guys a tool on Helium 10 that helps me maintain my business and keep me on track. So welcome to today's video. If you're liking this video so far, please like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Interact with me, it means a lot to me. Hey, also to my OG subscribers, peep the new office. Do you like very much more of a modern sneakerhead hype beast inside look? I guess you get a vibe of like what I like, obviously. So I love sneakers, I love streetwear. I got that Porsche logo right there with the grenades. I love cars and things like that. But the office at the new crib is really coming together, and I got some anime up there as well. So yeah, it's all coming together. I will give you guys kind of a house update as things get closer and closer to being complete as well. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy the aesthetic appeal. Let me know what you guys think of my new office and the new setup for the content. So let me know if you guys like it or not. But without further ado, we're gonna get into my computer. We're gonna do this thing. So let's do it. Be sure to like the video. Let's do it. All right, so here we are on my computer right now. What we're looking at is the Helium 10 dashboard. If you guys don't already use Helium 10, this is literally my go-to tool for my Amazon business for the beginning stages, the middle stages, and the ending stages. You're always gonna need Helium 10 when you're running your Amazon business, no matter if you're in the beginning, middle, or end of your business line, whatever. Helium 10 is my go-to. Go ahead, check the link in the description for your discount code to use Helium 10. Definitely an affiliate link as well. So you get a little something, I get a little something, the world goes around, and we're all happy, right? So go ahead, check out the link down below to cop up Helium 10 and get a discount and save yourself some dollar bills, right? So here we are on the dashboard. You can see today so far made about a little over 2,000. Let me just refresh this actually. Okay, there we go. So a little over $2,000 for the day so far. It's December 14th. So right in the middle of the month of Q4 at the end of the year as well. Coming into 2022, insane, pretty crazy. And you can see in the last 7 days as well, I've done over $30,000, over $32,000, which is about $4,500 per day. That's pretty crazy, right? So sales are pretty good. Can't complain there. Doing $4,000 per day. You see yesterday I made about $4,700. So that's pretty solid. Now, this is a dashboard on Helium 10 that you can use once you guys have it, if you guys don't have it already. And then the next thing where we actually get into that's gonna actually help your business, what we're talking about is keyword tracking, okay? So what a lot of people don't do, especially when they're starting off in their Amazon business, what they're not doing is keeping track of the keywords that they're using for their business. So what are keywords? What is keyword tracker? What does it do and everything, okay? So on Amazon, people go on Amazon to search up a keyword in the search bar to find the products that they want. So whether that's water bottles or, you know, I don't know, coffee mugs, whatever, right? So they're searching in a keyword that they're looking for. And our job is to be able to display our product in front of those keywords. But we want to know where our positioning is for those keywords because obviously there's multiple pages on Amazon. You know, there's page 1, page 2, page 3, whatever. We want to be on page 1 for people to see because nobody wants to go to page 30 to find your product. That's the fact, right? We just want to see what's on the first page and if there's a product that we like that fits what we need. Okay, so when people launch their products, I think one of the common mistakes that I've seen, especially through my students and other people that I've seen, is that they don't track their keywords. So they don't know what's going on. So they spend all this money on advertising and everything, but they don't actually know what the effect of it actually is and if they're making any progress. The whole goal with Amazon is to be able to get our product in front of as many keywords as possible and to be shown on the first page as many keywords as possible so more people can buy, right? So if you don't track your keywords, you don't know where your positioning is at for the keywords that you're using for your PPC, then you're gonna be lost. You don't know what kind of progress you're gonna make. You don't know if you need to put more money into a keyword or you need to spend less money in a keyword or if it's worth putting more money into a keyword, things like that. So it's important that you want to get your position up on your keywords, and what we want, I mean, top 50 is cool, but what we really want is top 10 position. We want good search volume in the top 10 position. Technically, I guess the top 12, top 15 is first page on mobile device. That's okay too. But at the end of the day, the higher your position is better. If you can be number 1 for a keyword, that'd be fantastic. that'd be great. But you definitely want to be sure where you're at. So here you can see what we're looking for is the organic rank for the keyword. So in this case right here, you can see these are the keywords. You know, you're seeing your organic rank 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you go down the list and you see more 7, 8, etc. So there's a bunch of keywords that I am ranking for that's adding up to my total search volume, which means that I'm getting more sales for, right? And we want to get as many as you can. And you know, if you could be the top 10 for an accumulation of at least 10,000 keywords, that's a really good start for keywords. The more the better, obviously. But that's one of the things that you don't want to miss out on, is making sure you keep track of your keywords. And I want you to keep track of keywords that are relevant to your product, not just any keyword. All right, we want keywords that have good search volume and also have actually relevancy to your product. So if you're selling coffee mug, we don't want water bottle to show up for our keywords or for our ranking. We want coffee mug to be in there, blue coffee mug, big coffee mug. I don't know, relevant keywords, but with good search volume as well, right? So if you aren't already doing it, go on Helium 10, use keyword tracker, put in your keywords to add into it. So what you can do is when you want to add on keywords to a product, you can hit these 3 little dots. You hit add keywords, and then you'll be able to add it to whatever your ASIN is. Alongside that, if you go up to the top, you can add a new product as well, and you can put your product ASIN and then also all the keywords in there, and then it'll start tracking that as well. So very, very straightforward, very easy to use. That's why I love Helium 10, because the tools are very, very effective, but they're also very easy to use. So very straightforward. That's what I want. I don't want no complications up in here, man. I don't want to be fighting with my program to figure out what keywords I want. All right. So very straightforward, very easy to use. I really recommend you guys get onto that as well. This is literally what I look at on a daily basis for my Amazon business. So be sure to get up on that. But yep, that's going to be it for today's video. Again, Helium 10, link down below if you guys need it. If you haven't already, if you need to upgrade your plans as well, you can get discounts as well for that. And I hope this video was really helpful and helps you guys with your Amazon business as it's helping on mine. And be sure to check out the links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.